Guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be going over the Chanel 23S collection. You guys know I like to do these little reviews every time a new Chanel collection launches. I know that Chanel is kind of a touchy subject right now. I know Chanel's not everybody's favorite brand at the moment. But listen, I always do these videos, so this is just not gonna be an exception. We're gonna do 23S, we're gonna talk about it. Obviously, you guys know that the prices for most of Chanel's handbags have gone up. I'll link my video talking all about the price increase right up here. So if you guys are not interested in the 23S collection, I totally get it, I understand. But just in case you are, we're gonna be talking about it anyway. So if you guys wanna know what I think about Chanel's new 23S Spring Summer collection, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you guys already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna wanna be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Chanel, you like their price increase. And I think this is definitely where you're gonna wanna be, so you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Reels, outfit of the days, my entire life on stories. Honestly, it's just random. We post a lot of random stuff over there. So if you're interested in any of that content, you should definitely follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. I'm gonna move over this way because I feel like I always move over the other way. That way. So we're gonna do handbags. I don't even know where I'm gonna start. Let's start with flat bags. I'm sure they're gonna be extortionately priced, but we're gonna do it anyways. Let's look at this tweed. This is a mini flat bag. It's not like an actual mini flap. It's just a flat bag that just so happens to be mini. And it's raffia. And I honestly don't think that this is ugly. Actually, look at this. It's pretty cute. It has a little zip pocket on the inside. I feel like this is a really appropriate spring summer bag. This is $5,000 though, and I would just absolutely never for a raffia bag. Are you out of your mind? This looks like the small flat bag that they came out with last season. No. Oh, but the interior is bright. Is that bright? Is that like a pink? This has like a cute little Chanel medallion on it. Wait, does this have like a Chanel 19 type chain on it? It looks like the chain is kind of fixed. Kind of how the Chanel 19's chain right here is fixed. You know what I'm saying? You know, ow, I just hurt my freaking wrist. This is a cute little bag, honestly. $5,600 for it. Oh my God. This is giving me mini top handle vibes, which you guys know is my absolute favorite handbag ever. So this is, oh my God, $5,900, which is more than the mini top handle, by the way. It has like the same chain leather interwoven situation on the handle that it has on the strap, which I like. But again, $5,900 for this is just freaking insane to me. Honestly, I kind of really like this bag. I feel like for an evening bag, this is really cute. I wouldn't wear this on like a day-to-day basis, but like if I was going out to like a nice little event, I think this is really cute. And it's in patent, which we all know everyone's obsessed with. I kind of don't like the back. Why don't I like the back? I don't know. I feel like, did we need to have a pocket there? Did we need to have a Mona Lisa pocket there? Did we need to have the Chanel writing there? I don't know. I don't love the back, but I think the front is cute. So again, $5,100 though. Chanel and their damn hearts. Honestly, I'm getting bored. I'm getting bored. $5,400 for this one. It's a mini. I don't like the shade of pink. I don't like where the heart placement is. I just feel like this is like a cheap cash grab type situation. I like that it has a turn lock, but other than that, like, I'm good. We got sequins. $6,200 for a sequin bag. Honestly, that's not bad. For a sequin Chanel bag, that's not bad. We have tweed. This is one of the ugliest tweeds I think I've ever seen. $9,700. $9,700 for this. Oh my God. Cheaper than a medium flap usually would be, but the way it's not worth it. No, stop it. This also is giving Easter, but like if the Easter bunny was like in a car accident, this is what I'm getting. So no, like I'm good here. I don't like this at all. Okay, wait a minute. This is cute. Not the tweed version, although this is kind of cute too, because this is like a nice little light blue houndstooth. $5,700 for this. Listen, this is also giving Easter. It literally looks like an Easter basket. Like this is what you're gonna use when you're going around in the grass trying to pick up your eggs. This is where you're gonna put the eggs, but in a really cute way. What I love the most about it, I'm gonna say, is the top handle. I love a top handle. You guys know I love a top handle, but this is not just a regular schmegular top handle. Can you guys see? They have like the Cocoa Crush ring. It's not really the Cocoa Crush ring, but you know, like it looks like the Cocoa Crush ring, just like on either side there. And even at the bottom where it's connected to the chain. Why do I like this so much? $5,700 for the tweed version. But I saw leather. Hold on. There was a leather. I seen it. There she is. Or is this a smaller 5,900? No, I think this is the same size. I mean, 5,900 is a lot for like a bag that is clearly pretty small. Like this does not look like a substantial bag. This looks pretty damn small. But I like this a lot. What the hell is this? Is this sequins? This is sequins. And it's price upon request. Alrighty. This kind of looks like when people, this is so inappropriate, but this kind of looks like when people paint themselves and then they do it on canvas. So like someone put themselves in glitter, not glitter, in sequins, and then they did it on a canvas, and this is what had happened. And it's price upon request for that, for some just bizarre reason. So we have, what is this? Like a pale yellow ombre gold type situation. Cloudy pearly goat skin and gold tone metal. Okay, so it's basically like a pale yellow pearlescent bag. This is a medium flat bag, 10,200. I don't really like this. You guys know I don't really like iridescent bags in general, but this one in particular, I just like really don't like. Let's Hobo bag it up. I'm very excited about the Hobo bags because the mini 22 came out. You guys, I am sorry, I hate the 22, but the mini 22 is doing things. It's doing things for me. $5,300 though is kind of pricey as hell, but I love the little pearls on it. Like, I'm sorry. You guys know I hate the 22, but this is really cute in my opinion. I just feel like this is exactly what the 22 needed. So I really like it. Okay, I'm sorry. And it also comes in that pale yellow type situation. Is that rose gold that I saw? They also have the rose gold in the regular size 22, which is $6,200 now. I think that this color in this size is a little too overwhelming. And also I freaking hate this bag. So that's just my 2 cents on it. But if like you had wanted to get it, like do you live your life? It looks to me like this bag was white and you just like left it out in the sun and it got bleached, or like it just got dirty. Like this doesn't look attractive to me. And again, the 22. God, what is that? What is that? What even is that? $7,700 for the, oh my God. Like I could see where you were trying to go with this. Like you wanted this to be a cute little raffia bag. Like, you know, Loewe has their nice little basket bag. Celine has one and you were like, oh, let me make mine. But okay, A, $7,700 is ridiculous. B, this is so much uglier than those 2 bags. And there's a flap and a turn lock on this raffia bag for what? For what? And it comes in white in case you wanted an ugly bag in white. Another patent bag. This is giving me Louis Vuitton Alma when it was like gigantic and metallic. You guys know when Paris Hilton and Kim Kardashian were rocking those like gold and silver Almas that were like massive. That's what this is giving me right now. And I really don't like it. I really don't like it. $5,400 for that. What is this? Why is this kind of cute? $5,200 for this. What is this? Aged calf skin. Why do they have to put a Mona Lisa pocket on freaking everything? Because I feel like this was really cute for a minute. If it just didn't have a Mona Lisa pocket, I get it. Like that's the Chanel aesthetic. I understand where you're going, but it doesn't have to be on every single freaking bag. So like that was not necessary. I think this is actually it's kind of a cute bag. I really don't hate this. I feel like the bags that have like that weird handle that's like built into the bag, you know what I'm talking about? They're kind of doing something for me. $5,200 for this. Honestly, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad. Oh, they have the little bag I like, but in a little vanity case. $53. Is that not the same price as the regular? No, the regular one I think was like $5,900. But still, this is too expensive for a little ass vanity case. Stop. And this actually, remember when I said that they had a bag that looked like a Crayola box? This is giving that same exact vibe. Crayola box. Evening bags? Let's do evening bags. Oh, this is cute as fuck. $94. Oh my God, that's so expensive. But this is so adorable. Holy shit. Does this actually hold anything though, is the thing? I think anything you put in here would just slip right out unless it's like a big ass card holder, which is probably not gonna fit in here anyways. So $9,400 for a useless ass bag. Probably not as useless though as the star version, because like at least a little bit could fit into the heart version. This one, like, you're not getting shit in here, okay? This is cuter. Not cuter, but more useful. And it's price upon request. So that's good. That's really just... Oh, it's actually not more useful. It's actually the exact same amount of uselessness. Useless. It's just as useless as the previous one. Price upon request. All right. Is that pearls? that is pearls. Not real pearls, of course, because this is Chanel we're talking about, but you know, there's pearls there. This is nice. 7,300. Oh, 7,300 for a evening bag from Chanel. That's actually reasonable for Chanel. For Chanel. I would probably just get like a Judith Lieber bag at this point because A, they're cheaper, and B, they're cooler in my opinion. But I mean, that's just me. Okay, that's just my 2 cents. I'm gonna go to other handbags, even though I don't feel like there's anything crazy in here. Oh, they're coming back out with this bag. Is this the exact same version? People lost their shit about this bag. People were so aggressively like trying to get this bag. This looks just like any old regular schmegular camera bag in my opinion. So, and it's $5,400. Like you could get the Soho Disco from Gucci for like $1,000. Okay. We've got this mini camera case that I think is atrocious. I think this is one of the least attractive bags I've ever seen. So we're just gonna go ahead and move on from that, you know, as soon as humanly possible. There's more than one bucket bag, and I can't decide which one I like less. I have to say I probably like this one the least because what the hell is that? What the hell is that? That is just unattractive in like a lot of different ways. $50, $100 for that, like no, I'd rather keep those $50 and $100, like for sure. All right, we're done with handbags. I think we're gonna look at SLGs now because you know that's where all the fun is. Let's do wallets on chain that are now so goddamn expensive, by the way. This one is kind of similar to the bag that we saw before with the heart clasp. $4,000 for a wallet on chain. This works a lot more or a lot better in my opinion than the flat bag that we saw. Oh my god, is there a little bow on this? You guys know I love a good bow. Look at me, my little bow. You probably can't, it's there. I'm not gonna flip you off to show you though. So this wallet on chain has a little bow on the chain, and this is in calfskin. The other one, the one with the heart, was in lambskin, and this is in burgundy. $3,825 for a freaking wallet on chain. But this does have a turn lock, so this is another one I really like. Clutches with chain. This is where it's at, guys. This is where it's at. So let's look at this. That is expensive as hell for this little ass bag. This kind of looks like a, what is it called? A blimp? It's called a blimp. That's what it's called. And it's really cute. But $5,000 for this? No. You know this is not fitting shit. Look at this. We got more hearts. Oh, I didn't realize you could take that off. I thought that was like attached, like you were not taking that second heart off. It looks like the black heart is, you know, the bag, and then the second white heart is just like a little clip. Like you can take it off if you want. You know what? I'm not mad at it. I'm really not mad at it. We've got this cute little clutch with chain, $2,600 for this. That's so damn expensive for such a tiny bag. But again, I feel like the heart works better on this bag than it did on the bigger, more floppy bag. And I like this shade of burgundy. You guys know I need a burgundy bag. Okay, I don't have one. This, on the other hand, I don't like at all. This looks like the little pouch that Jack used to hold his beans. That's what I think this is. So $2,700 if you want to feel like, you know, Jack and the Beanstalk, like go off. But like, no. Oh, we've got the Alma back, but it's a smaller version of the Alma because obviously this is a clutch with chain version, $36.25. We've got the same regular schmegular clutch with chain that we have every single season. I'm not even gonna click into it. We've seen it 1,000 times. This looks interesting though. This looks like a little lipstick holder. I wonder, like, oh, that's tiny. That's like really a lipstick holder. $46.25 for this. This would be cute as a little evening bag, but I just would not. Is the thing. Pumps and slingbacks. I have seen these like crystal slingbacks on Instagram, like all over Instagram. $3,000. Chanel is really crazy. Chanel is really crazy for thinking their shoes are worth this much money. These are in white cotton sandals. Stop it. The way that these would attract dirt, I just can't even. They're like a dirt magnet. I just can't even. We have got these shoes that everybody's talking about. Also see these on Instagram pretty much every single freaking day. And I gotta say, man, they're cute. They're cute. However, if I was gonna buy a pair of shoes that look like this, that are $3,000, I think you know where I'm going with this. I'm gonna buy the Saint Laurent version. I just think the Saint Laurent version is a lot more sexy and would go with a lot more, in my opinion. So that's why I definitely lean towards those. But they also have them in a short version, which Saint Laurent does not. $21.75. Oh, these don't really have crystals, do they? I don't think that the white ones have crystals. I think they're just, nope, there's no crystals there. They're just like that lacy material. Earrings. I might do earrings and I might do necklaces because some of those necklaces look real cute. I saw these. They're cute, man. $1,300 freaking dollars for this. Like, costume jewelry is really not worth it in my opinion, but sometimes they have cute things. Like, I get it. And they come in like a little crystalled out version. This is gonna be 2K, easy. Oh, okay, that was close. I actually like the other version better. The crystals and the CC together kind of just feels like relax, calm down, we get it. This is kind of cute. Again, I wouldn't buy this. It's $1,000 for a earring, okay, a earring, but it's kind of cute. Why is there a flower pot earring? Explain this to me. Who ever asked for a flower pot earring? I don't like this. However, this is kind of smart, I feel like, because, you know, they came out with the lip rings a couple seasons ago, the clip-on lip rings, and everybody was like, oh my God, the lip rings, I can't believe it. And so now they came out with the lip rings literally in an earring, and it's an ear cuff too. I think this is kind of cool. $1,100. Again, I wouldn't buy this, but like, I see what you did there. I can respect it. This is like a click-clack bracelet from Hermes, literally $2,000. You know, I don't know where they get these numbers from. Like, I'm confused. What the hell is that? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Coming from somebody who pretty clearly loves makeup, what the hell is this? I would absolutely never wear this. I don't understand why they would, who wants this? Who asked for this? And it's $1,500. Okay, we're gonna end it here because now that's just blasphemy and now I'm angry. I can't say this is my favorite collection, you guys. I can't say it. Not that I was planning to get anything anyways. I think we could skip this one. I think we could skip this one because even the ones that I like are outrageously priced. So it's still not worth getting in my opinion. So that's where I'm at. Definitely let me know in the comments what you guys thought about this collection. Is this like your favorite collection, your least favorite collection? Like, what are your thoughts? But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Is this 23S? Are we doing 23S? Because if we're not doing 23S, I'm going to be fucking mad. Chanel. It's 23S.